Look at the state of this motherboard. That's grim. It stinks of cigarettes as well. The heatsink's not much better. So I'm going to do something with this that you probably shouldn't do. I'm going to give it a shower. Just a day later, and this is the board I washed. You can see, much cleaner, much better. Question is, will it work? So I've got the CPU here. It's a Intel Core 2 Quad Q6600 heatsink. It's the standard Intel one, but that's all I've got at the moment. I'm not planning on overclocking it at the moment, so this will have to do. The RAM, I didn't wash it. I've got two different types of RAM. I've got some Team Group, never heard of it, and some Crucial. Crucial's good memory. Don't know what this other stuff is, but there's 4 gigs of RAM there. So let's put it in a case and see what happens. So it's plugged in, it's not switched on yet. I don't have a display to connect to this because I need a VGA cable, but this PC has a onboard diagnostic LED. So, moment of truth, I suppose. Power's on. Well, it appears to be working. So I'm going to have to get a monitor hooked up to this to find out whether it's actually working or not. But from what I can tell, so far so good. Okay, finally got a VGA cable. So let's switch the power on. Let's see what it does. That was an interesting noise. Right. Well, I've had the CMOS battery out of it, so that's to be expected. quite horribly. It's not going to boot because there's nothing on the hard drive. Let's stick a flash drive in with Linux on it. Interesting. Doesn't seem to have keyboard functionality. Something's going wrong. Not a happy bunny. Is it dead? Well, there you go, I didn't kill it. I just had the CPU fan plugged into the wrong header and the motherboard didn't like it. I used the built-in diagnostic LEDs, which are in there, to determine that, which are quite useful. So yes, you can give your motherboard a shower. I wouldn't recommend it. I wouldn't do it on a motherboard that's worth any money, but in this case it worked, so happy days.